Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? Indian neck of the woods. What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, it's a special welcome to you. Thank you so much. Please enjoy. Now, long time family, wanna know the drill. Manners and respect. Thank you all so much. Thank you so much. Now today it's just a simple video. Hello. Aye. Me say Jamaica at it. Aye. Anyhow now come home. Make sure if you not coming home in the but I carry a long sleeve dance. As so shots. Ear shots. And honestly I swear to God. And like topless and all of them like a tank top or something. It's burning up. So now today this video I want to share with you is how to make some Kool-Aid. But look here, not just any Kool-Aid. We're going to make some spiced Kool-Aid drink. Spiced Kool-Aid drink. Yeah. So I have about 3 they broke, some of them broke, dried cinnamon leaves. I have the mace from 1 nutmeg. I am going to grate into this some ginger. This is what I'm gonna do. Spice Kool-Aid drink. The time is at the kids them home from school. Can I tell you something? And you go out and you make some of these, put it in your refrigerator and you go out and come back. Man, trust me, it will cool you down. I just want to show you how you can go about making and you can use your Kool-Aid, use your Kool-Aid of choice. Use the flavors of your choice. Okay? You don't have to use the specific flavors that I am using or I have used. Right here I've got a strawberry and a lemon lime. So I think you guys up there know Kool-Aid a little bit. I come with the G sugar and all of that. It doesn't matter. So I have the cinnamon leaf and I'll put it in the description for you. Nutmeg, mace, some grated ginger. Now I want to put a few whole cloves in there. Yeah, this about like, because the cloves are strong, you know, like about half a teaspoon of whole cloves. Okay? So to this now, we are going to add some water. Maybe like just about a cup of water. And we're going to go right on our stove, right here, and leave it to come to a boil. We're going to leave it on medium, let it come to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling, you turn it on, leave it to steam. Okay. Now that is there, and it's becoming to a boil, you want to use, this is like about a cup and a half of, I'm using light brown sugar. You know, I'm trying to stay away from it. But sometimes we have to use this sugar, but if you have to use it, I have this pretty brown sugar, so I'm going to use it. So I'm going to dump this right in here. I'm also going to add some water. I will leave the amount for you. Don't worry about what I'm doing right now. So, you're going to leave this in there to let the sugar become softened. So, while the sugar is in there becoming softened, and that is over there coming to a boil, we're going to leave it to steep. So, when we come back, it's supposed to come to the boil. You know, leave it to steep for about 15 minutes. When we return and the sugar here soften, we're going to come back and you're going to see where we're going to add the Kool-Aid mix. We're going to use some limes and you're going to see how we put this thing together. Spiced Kool-Aid drink for that hot time, yeah. So this has come to a boil. So we need to just turn it off now and leave it there. Let it steep. It doesn't have to cool, you know. You just let it, you know, the flavors and the hot water come back together. Right here we have the sugar all dissolved off. Remember we left it to get softened. So I have 2 packs of, because I'm using 2 of these small packs. That is mostly how we get them in Jamaica. You guys have it like in the containers and stuff. And I'm using also a lemonade. So I'm looking at the color that I'm getting. As I said to you, choose colors because you can mix and match your color. So inside here now, you see this color that we have though. This is the color that we have, like a sort of darkish color. Alright. Now we're gonna need some lime juice. If you have lemon, you can use your lemon. I'm gonna put about three limes in there. So you're juicing, gonna squeeze off for 3 limes then. By the time we juice off for 3 limes and return, or little spice mixture there should be all. These limes don't have a lot of juice at all. I have 4, I might just put the 4 in there. So by the time we come back here now, with our spice mixture should be all steep, and we are going to put this thing drink together. Show you how you serve it and taste it and tell you how it goes. Okay, family, we didn't get a lot of juice from our lime, to be honest. So you can use as much lime, but because we added lemonade Kool-Aid, it's still, let's taste. Wow, wow. Now we're coming right here, and we're gonna use our little steep spice mixture. We're gonna strain it. Remember, it doesn't have to be properly cold, you know, because you just, this is the flavor we're waiting for. Just the flavor, just this spice flavor, and this is it. And we're gonna pour it right in here. Okay, now that we have poured it in there, we want to get everything all combined, and then you're going to taste once more. Let's go strain this into our jug and come back, our juice jug, and return. Now family, you can serve this 2 ways. You can leave this to chill, or you can just serve this over some cracked ice. And you serve it over your cracked ice. Just use a little piece of mint to garnish. Yeah. And you can put in your straw. Okay, so it is spiced Kool-Aid drink. Now when you drink this, you choose the colors that you want. Choose your colors, and I'll leave for you in the description, not the colors, the flavors. Now this has the taste of sorrel. We use the cinnamon leaf. We use the what's this thing here that we use for the old cloves. This is so nice in sorrel also. We use it. We use the mace from the nutmeg, and we use the ginger. Try it. It has the look of sorrel, and it tastes just like sorrel. Because when you taste it, you get that little sort of angostura bitterish taste in the back of your throat. You taste the ginger. We add the lime, but it wasn't enough. But even though we had the lemonade, you know, the lemonade still bring it up. Please try it and let me know. This is good. It is cost friendly. We can make whole heap of this, and we can have it in our fridge. And you tell me, somebody come to your house and you serve them. You serve and don't say what it is, and let them tell you what it is. Red Hot, I know you're onto this. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to yours, it is spiced Kool-Aid mix done from scratch. Please enjoy in this hot weather. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below. When you do subscribe, remember to turn your notification on. And post notification shout out goes to Grandma. You're still there on duty. Grandma on duty. Thank you so much. Love you all so much. Remember, those who want to throw in a little support for our channel, you can go onto my channel and click that donation button. It is PayPal, as I've said so many times. You can go there, and if you so would like to make a donation to our channel, we'll thank you so much and welcome it. Doesn't matter how small, we welcome it. Thank you so much. And to those of you who have already contributed or are still contributing, thank you so much. Debbie from Dongayard, bless. Please try this. When you do, let me know in the comments below.